Legend has it that deep within the heart of Spain, a sweet revolution began with a simple yet powerful idea to create a treat that would capture the hearts of both the young and the young at heart. That idea gave birth to Chupa Chups, a lollipop that would transcend time and borders, becoming a global icon of joy and flavor. With over 100 flavors, Chupa Chups caters to a broad spectrum of tastes, whether you prefer sweet, sour, creamy, or even fizzy lollipops.
No one. Chupa Chups के नए Do You Love Me packs के साथ करते रहो fun.
Today, join Captain Discovery as we venture into the heart of the Chupa Chups factory to witness the fascinating process behind the creation of their iconic lollipops. From mixing the perfect blend of sugar and flavors to molding and wrapping each delicious treat, we'll uncover the sweet secrets that have made Chupa Chups a global sensation. Get ready for an adventure that's as sweet as it is intriguing. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to find out more fascinating processes from around the world. Chupa Chups, the iconic lollipop brand, was created in 1958 by Spanish entrepreneur Enrique Bernat. Bernat noticed that children often struggled with sticky candy, which led him to envision a sweet treat that would be easy to eat without making a mess. This idea gave birth to the concept of placing candy on a stick, a simple yet revolutionary innovation. He initially named the product Goal, imagining the candy as a soccer ball being kicked into the mouth. But soon after, the name was changed to Chupa Chups, derived from the Spanish verb chupar, meaning to suck. Chupa Chups quickly gained popularity in Spain, and Bernat sought to expand the brand's reach internationally. Over time, Chupa Chups didn't just stick to the original flavors, they expanded their variety to appeal to more people. They began offering new and unique flavors, like fruit combinations, creamy options, and even cola-flavored lollipops. This helped them attract not just children, but also teens and adults who enjoyed trying different tastes. And Chupa Chups even introduced special limited edition collections, which included seasonal or theme lollipops that were only available for a short time. Nowadays, Chupa Chups' commitment to quality and creativity has helped it grow into a beloved confectionery brand, sold in over 150 countries worldwide. From its humble beginnings in Spain to its status as a global candy phenomenon, Chupa Chups has become a cultural icon, representing a blend of nostalgia, art, and sweet enjoyment for people of all ages. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about Chupa Chups. Who's the first designer of Chupa Chups' iconic logo? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comment below now. The first step in making Chupa Chups Lollipops involves carefully preparing the key ingredients. The two main components are sugar and glucose syrup, which are the foundation of the candy. These components are then mixed together in large industrial vats, using powerful mixers to ensure a consistent and smooth blend for the candy base. After the base syrup is prepared, concentrated flavorings and colorings are added to create the desired taste and appearance. Chupa Chups offers a variety of flavors, from classic fruit options to unique choices like cola. Colorings are also added at this stage to give the lollipops their vibrant and appealing appearance. The mixture is stirred thoroughly to evenly distribute the flavors and colors throughout the syrup. With the ingredients fully prepared, the mixture is ready to move on to the next stage. Once the sugar and glucose syrup mixture is prepared and flavored, it moves into the critical cooking stage, where achieving the correct texture and consistency is key. The mixture is heated in specialized cooking vessels at around 150 to 160 degrees Celsius, that's 302 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature that evaporates the water content and creates a thick concentrated syrup. This high heat also triggers caramelization, enhancing the flavor and ensuring the candy will harden properly as it cools. The cooking time and temperature are carefully controlled to ensure the perfect balance between softness and hardness in the final lollipop. Insufficient heat leads to a sticky texture, while excessive heat makes the candy brittle. Once the syrup reaches the ideal consistency, it is swiftly moved to the molding stage. It's break time! Did you know Chupa Chups was the first candy to be sent into outer space? In 1995, Chupa Chups made history by becoming the first candy to journey beyond Earth. This milestone occurred when Russian cosmonauts aboard the Mir space station specifically requested these iconic lollipops to be included in their supply delivery. So, do you like Chupa Chups lollipops? Share now in the comments below. During this stage, the cooked syrup is poured into metal molds that shape the Chupa Chups lollipops into their iconic round form. The hot syrup is poured into metal molds that shape the lollipops. Then the syrup are kneaded by automated machines. After the syrup is kneaded, the sticks are carefully inserted as the syrup begins to cool. The molding process is automated and highly efficient, allowing thousands of lollipops to be shaped and prepared in a short amount of time. The lollipops remain in the molds just long enough for the candy to firm up around the stick, forming a solid bond that will hold the stick in place.
मीठा
मीठा
खट्टा
चुपा चुप्स कम फिल लॉलीपॉप खट्टे मीठे सार ग्रीन एप्पल फ्लेवर में.
The lollipops are transferred from the molding area to a cooling tunnel or room where the temperature is carefully controlled. As the lollipops cool, the sugar syrup continues to harden, transitioning from a pliable state to a solid glossy finish. This hardening process locks in the shape of the lollipop and ensures it's sturdy enough to be handled, wrapped, and enjoyed without breaking. The lollipops are now firm, shiny, and have the desired texture. During the process, quality control checks may be conducted to ensure that the lollipops are hardening correctly and are free from any imperfections, such as air bubbles or cracks. Once the lollipops are fully checked, they are transported to the wrapping machines. The lollipops are individually wrapped in the iconic Chupa Chups branded paper, which features the logo and sometimes product-specific designs or flavors. The wrapping is heat-sealed or twisted tightly at the base of the lollipop stick to ensure it stays secure. After wrapping, the lollipops are sorted by flavor and type. They're grouped together according to the packaging requirements, whether they'll be sold individually or in multi-packs. The wrapped lollipops are placed into their primary packaging, which could be bags, boxes, or display cartons. This packaging is designed to be attractive and functional, making it easy for retailers to display and for customers to purchase.
Flavor your day with fruity-licious fun! Chupa Chups Forever Fun!
And now is the answer for the quiz about who is the first designer of the Chupa Chups logo. The answer: Salvador Dali. Salvador Dali is a famous Spanish surrealist artist. In 1969, Dali was commissioned to create a new logo for the brand. He designed the distinctive daisy-shaped logo, which has become synonymous with Chupa Chups and is still in use today. Dali's design was both simple and eye-catching, helping to solidify the brand's identity globally. Chupa Chups offers a wide variety of flavors, some of which have become iconic over the years. Here are some of the most famous and popular Chupa Chups flavors. Strawberry, a classic flavor and one of the most beloved in the Chupa Chups range. Cola, a unique and popular flavor that mimics the taste of cola soda. Apple, known for its crisp, sweet, and slightly tangy taste. Orange, a refreshing and citrusy flavor that is both sweet and tangy. Strawberry and cream, a creamy twist on the classic strawberry flavor, combining sweetness with a rich, smooth texture. These flavors are just a few of the many options available, with Chupa Chups regularly introducing new and limited edition flavors to keep their product line exciting. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Chupa Chups Lollipops. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.